Ladies and gentlemen, Formula One just dropped a bombshell. Forget the cars battling for the podium, because the real star of the Dutch Grand Prix isn't a Red Bull, a Ferrari, or even a McLaren. Oh no, this weekend all eyes are on the brand new Aston Martin Vantage S, the most savage safety car the world has ever seen. That's right, the old Vantage has been tossed aside because Aston Martin just armed the track with a beast packing a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, punching out a jaw-dropping 671 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This monster rockets from 0 to 62 in just 3.4 seconds and storms to a top speed of 202 miles per hour. That's not just fast, it's blistering. And in Formula One, where every tenth of a second can change the game, this upgrade is nothing short of legendary. Need proof? Remember when Verstappen, Leclerc, and Russell tore into the old Vantage back in 2022, calling it too slow to keep up? Yeah, not exactly the kind of feedback Aston Martin wanted. But this new Vantage S, it's the comeback story of the century. With new bonnet blades for cooling, a bigger spoiler for insane downforce, and that iconic light bar shining like a crown, this machine is built to dominate the world's greatest circuits. And Bernd Mailander, the man behind the wheel, couldn't be happier. He says this is the most performance-focused Vantage ever, and honestly, we believe him. Because this isn't just a safety car, it's a rolling declaration that Aston Martin doesn't do second best. So when the lights go out at Zandvoort, sure, cheer for the drivers, but remember this: before the chaos begins, it's the Aston Martin Vantage S leading the charge, proving once again that in the world of Formula One, even the safety car can steal the spotlight.